Alright guys, hello. Today we're gonna be playing some Metal Playground. So we're gonna make a inferno here in the middle. And where all my flamethrowers are. So that is gonna be going, okay? Be straighten it out. Put a human body, I say like that. Make sure we put a human body in. I go, hey man, why do you have to put a human body in? This is supposed to be a prison, not, well, you know, death. Of course, if they do leave, freeze all of these. Copy, actually. Freeze. Top. That did not work. Let me press these guys back in here. Bam, bang, bam, boy, you know. Freeze and freeze. Freeze time itself, of course. Freeze that. Toggle that. No, what was that? Timer. Forgot to turn it off. What else comes to your mind when they say, fiery thingies? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Look, what isn't it working? Hello? Freeze. Hello? Are you not gonna work? Get a few more because those aren't working. We at least make them symmetrical. Oops, I just deleted that. There looks symmetrical enough. Now activate, activate, activate. In the world, you could get ads on airplane mode, bro. Achievements I got. I said I don't want him to die in here. I was not kidding, bro. Now I'm gonna let me do this again. My goodness. Freeze. Activate. Boom. Freeze. Activate. Look how smart I am. Look how humane I am. I'm so ethical. It's insane, am I right? Oh, snap. I'm pretty sure it was right here. So ethical. Oh, I really did that again. But you're right. Oh, me, I bet this. Did I break through? Read and then record. No. To be toggled. Snap, man. Why do I keep doing this? Now, basically, this is easy. Now we're gonna take some Molotovs. As you can see, for the Molotovs, you need to break. Plan B of the Annihilator Squad. It's gonna be put right here, just in case they go a little too close. Death is not certain. Death is most likely gonna happen to them. Man, I deleted it. Oh man. No ad. Please. Yay, no ad. If you don't want ads, kids, just put it on airplane mode. I mean, it really work. Where to store them, you say? You go over here. Wrong thing. Go over here. Pick this break short wire. Just a little iron like that, right? Freeze that there. And start spamming Molotovs right there. same thing on this side. Enemies. So saying freeze that. Where's my trust? Freeze, resize, and just do a long, boom, freeze, this, boom, freeze, resize, boom, freeze, resize, boom. Now, how do you go inside Tell me if I missed anything. Honestly, think I didn't. Let me see. Flash grenade, C4. Oh my goodness, a pretty flashlights. making way too much noise. Is it here? Before I delete it or anything, I'm gonna... Now. Holy crap. Fire. Alright, thank you guys. So, tell me what you guys want me to see, a bomb place or something. But anyways, that will be it.